have to close it a little bit in order to get the teeth underneath the load. Close. There you go.
Oh, no.
You're good. You're good. Keep going. Close.
I can't. It's on the shoreline.
Okay. Now what you're going to do is send the dipper out a little bit at the same time. Close it at the same time. So put the dipper out and close. Now close at the same time. You're right. You're all right. You're doing good. Now, yeah, just like that. So there you go. Good. There you go. See how you do it? Now close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Because you need to keep under that load. Good. You're doing great. Great. Close. Keep it closing while you don't need to take the dipper out much, but you do need to close it. I think close is all you need to do right now.
Close on the shoreline.
You can lift up too. You can pull your extension in.
Won't let me pull it in.
Yeah, well. Pull your extension. Well, are you pulling in or pushing out?
It won't let me pull it all in.
Tyler, hit the bottom of the pedal. Now close it quickly. Also, it's not completely, not completely. You just want it hanging on the tines. All right, you're good. You're great. You're doing great, Tyler. I just trying to stop you before you do lose it. You're doing fantastic. You always want to make sure, because that rake can snag the outrigger too. So you always want to make sure you're doing fantastic, Tyler. Okay, now, don't get it too close, or when you swing it open, it'll hit the ground. Okay, that'll work. There you go. Anyway, it just takes practice. What you're doing is exactly right, and a little more practice, and the smoothness comes. You need more pressure on this stabilizer. So hit this lever, push it out. Nope. Well, push it.
What do you mean?
Push it out. Right, a little more. Okay, that's fine. Then I guess it's all good. It was rocking too much. Still rocking too much. We need to do some more. Okay, that's all right. You're not going to get much there. Anyway, you're okay for now.